Hey everyone, having trouble with your Verizon Fuse remote volume? Don't worry, in this video, I'll show you quick and easy fixes to get your sound back. Let's jump right in. To fix Verizon Fuse remote volume not working, reset and reprogram the remote via menu, go to settings, then go to voice control, then go to Fuse TV voice remote, then program voice remote, reset remote setup. Then use manual setup to select your TV brand and complete pairing while ensuring the remote is pointed at the TV. Why Verizon Fuse remote volume not working? The remote is not set to control your TV volume. The remote is programmed wrong or need to be reset. The remote batteries are weak or not placed correctly. The Fuse box needs an update or restart. The remote or TV sensor might be broken. Audio devices are not connected properly. Fix one, reset and reprogram the remote. Go to menu, then settings, then go to voice control, then tap on Fuse TV voice remote, then go to program Fuse TV voice remote, then reset remote setup and confirm the reset. After resetting, program the remote by selecting manual setup. Choose your TV brand and model and follow the on-screen instructions, making sure the remote is pointed directly at the TV during setup. Resetting clears any previous programming errors and manual setup ensure the remote is correctly paired to control your TV's volume function. Fix 2. Switch audio device control to TV. Navigate to menu, then settings, then go to voice control, then Fuse TV voice remote, program Fuse TV voice remote, then switch audio device and select TV instead of audio video receiver. If you want the remote to control the TV volume, this direct the remote to send a volume command to your TV rather than another device, resolving cases where the remote is changing the wrong device's volume. Fix 3. Check audio settings and volume bar. In the Fuse menu, go to audio settings and ensure the volume bar is set to off if you want a remote to control the TV volume, not the setup box. Prevent the remote from adjusting only the Fuse box internal volume, ensuring volume commands are set to your TV. Fix 4. Power cycle the Fuse setup box and TV. Unplug the Fuse set-top box and your TV from power for at least 3 minutes, then plug them back in and power on. Power cycling resets device connections and can resolve glitches that prevent the remote from communicating with the TV. Fix 5. Check physical connections and device power. Ensure your TV and any connected audio devices are powered on and all cables, HDMI, optical, etc. are securely connected. Proper power and secure connections are necessary for the remote to send and receive volume commands effectively. Fix 6. Test different channels. Change to different TV channels and test the volume buttons on the remote on each channel. Helps determine if the volume issue is channel specific or a general remote problem, which can indicate signal or device issues. Fix 7. Full reset of the setup box if needed. Perform a full reset of the Fuse setup box using the on-screen menus, which will trigger the default remote setup process. Press the menu button on your remote, navigate to Customer Support, Top Support Tools, then go to Factory Reset. Follow the on-screen instructions to confirm. Wait for the box to reset to factory settings. Here is the note. This erases saved settings and some DVR content. A full reset can resolve deeper software issues and ensure all device settings return to default, allowing for a refresh remote pairing. Fix 8. Replace batteries. Install fresh batteries, making sure they are inserted with the correct polarity. Open the battery compartment on the back of your remote. Remove the old batteries and insert new, high quality AA batteries, preferably alkaline. Ensure the batteries are installed with the correct polarity plus and minus. Close the battery compartment and test the remote. Thanks for watching this video. If you like this video, please hit the like button, and if you want to see more videos, hit the subscribe button.